Hi everyone, today we got the update 44.6. Now unfortunately for everybody that had 44.5, it looks like that's being erased and now they're adding 0.6. And the only thing that's different in 0.6, it has the two things that it had in before in the UK, which was of course the driver door only opening up, and also profiles. If you want to see those, I've done a detailed video on both of those in my previous video. I'll leave you a link up for that one. But today I'm looking at Autopark, because what they've said in Autopark is it can now find and park between the lines without cars involved. Now this is a big breakthrough. So we're going to do a few tests around a little car park I know with just lines in it, and we're going to see how good it is. And we're going to look at this video right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel, and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Okay, so here if you look around you can actually see empty space. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. I'm going to take it into this position and we're going to see if it parks itself via those spaces. So let's do a little test. Okay, so let's drive into position. Okay, so there's no cars there. We're just going to see if it finds a space. And it's found one. From where? I don't know. But let's have a look at this. Indicate in, and let's see where it's going to take me. Okay, so looking from the rear view camera, it's going to take me in space. Yeah. Well, this is looking pretty impressive, I have to say. Okay, let's have a look where it's going. It's busy sorting itself out. Okay, right, let's go and investigate. It's taken me in a complete empty space between cars, and it's put me in to that area there, and it's pretty good. If you wonder what that noise is, it's a skateboarder. Look, he's actually doing his skates. There he goes, he's playing about. So that's what that noise is. Must apologise for that, but nevertheless, this is a brilliant test. Yeah, say hello to everybody. You're going to be on YouTube.
Huh?
Say hello to everyone. You're going to be on YouTube.
Wait, what? Why?
Because I'm doing a video and you happen to be in my video.
Oh, sorry, mate.
No, just say hello to everyone.
Hi.
What are you doing here exactly? You're learning, or you're praying, or what?
Oh, I'm just trying to do a trick I've been doing for like 4 hours, mate.
Go on and show me the trick. Let's have a look at this trick. Right, he's going to do a trick for us.
I can't really do it that well.
Alright, go on, let's have a look.
I can't land it.
Oh, okay. And your name for the YouTube is?
Nah, I don't want my name like that.
Alright, matey. Nice to see you. I wasn't expecting that. I did not realise that on 44.6 Autopark was even a thing that we were going to get. But it's not only just an Autopark, it does it between lines when there is no other cars in the car park. That is truly amazing. It's getting better for self-driving and getting better for everything it does. Now, what is interesting, if you want to have a full in-depth on the 44.6, it's exactly like 44.5. So I've done a video on that. I'm going to put that up at the end. That will give you all the details with a couple of tips in there as well to help you and your passenger. So you'll be able to stay tuned for that. And also, I'll go through the profile, how you do that. And of course, you've seen this one. And if you want to know what's going on the holiday update and what you're going to be getting, I've done a full video on that one, on all the 14 features that we are going to be getting in the holiday. And of course, as soon as it comes out, the video and testing it all, so you'll be able to see an in-depth of what it does and how it actually works. So stay tuned for that one. And if you haven't already, then hit that like, share and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell, because then you'll get the latest video when it's out. Anyway, if I don't see you before, have a super holiday, and I will definitely see you after. And remember, if you're one of my followers, you will be in a chance to win the prize that is coming out for your cars, whether it be Model X, Model S, Model Y, or Model 3. There is going to be some prizes given. And all you need to get into the prize draw is just to hit that subscribe button and be one of my followers. Anyway, until the next video, I look forward to seeing you then. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Oops.